In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted contacts on an iPhone using 3 easy methods. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first method is actually, in my opinion, one of the easiest. Begin by actually opening up Safari or really any other browser of your choice and go to iCloud.com. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID and password. And once you are signed in, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is tap the menu icon up at the very top. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. If you scroll down on this page, what you're going to want to choose is this data recovery section, and then scroll down on this page and you're going to see a restore contacts section right here. Go ahead and choose this and you're going to see a list of archived backups. Just select one that you created before you deleted that contact, tap restore and confirm. iCloud's going to replace your current contacts with that backup, and it's also going to save a new backup copy just in case you need to revert later. The next method is going to be on that contacts app, so go ahead and open that up and tap the back arrow up in the top left corner of your screen. This is going to open up the list page right here, and sometimes you're going to find a recently deleted or other account section in here. If your contact shows up, simply move or restore it back to the main list. If you still haven't been able to restore that contact, go ahead and open up your settings app, and this is going to be method number 3. Tap your Apple ID profile up at the very top, and then tap iCloud. And just make sure contacts is actually toggled on in this save to iCloud section. It should look something like this if it is. If it's already on though, toggle it off and then choose keep on my iPhone and then toggle it back on, because it's going to force iCloud to resync your contact list. If your contacts are synced through Gmail or Outlook, go back to that and then go specifically into that app's settings, choose accounts, and make sure contacts is enabled there too. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.